Chair.
I can see it
So what are we gonna play today?
from my own point of view. Anyway, we're gonna play
Hi, Pitbull. Yeah, get it, Pitbull. Get it. Get the air. Yeah, that evil air. Get it. Oh, this one's attacking the air. That one's attacking a dead branch. Friggin' animal.
back there, Mom.
Alright, so we're gonna play
Pool hockey.
Sun Squad pool
Pool
hockey. Nice. Does it come with that shark? Whoa, danger. Ooh.
Well, there's our things.
Nice.
Nothing else. So here it is.
Alright, you gotta blow it up.
We extend this. There we go.
Well, where's the blower upper thing, eh? Here it is. Alright, well, maybe it doesn't blow up, it just lays like a blanket. You don't think it just lays flat? You found it? Alright.
Wow, so it looked as flat.
Watch out, he's getting into stuff.
You gotta blow it up.
See, you said it's not. Why does he have to blow it? You can't.
I don't have to.
No. Loki, no. No rip back.
In a second, he'll put a hole. Ooh. Get.
I heard him like next to me.
Oh my god. I was like, what are these?
No, you don't have to put him in.
Why? He's lucky.
Well, I mean, now that I'm...
Confident.
Yeah, I
What's
know.
he going to get?
Well, one of his balls is on the floor. Yeah, look at that. He actually bit a hole in this part, but this doesn't blow up apparently.
Alright, it doesn't?
E, do you see where this blows up at all?
No.
I guess
Yeah.
it doesn't. Just the side.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, don't let him get jump in it.
He's
He's going to think it's a rat.
gonna think that's a raft. Look at him.
Yeah.
We put him in. I hate you.
Loki, no. Daddy's going in after it. He's
No.
going in.
Don't let him bite it, E.
I know, Daddy's
Ah,
going
ah.
Oh, you're making it
No,
worse.
no. He's getting in. He's going in.
Oh yeah, he wants it.
Cut. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out.
Oh, why is it so... No, stop, you butt! He popped it. Come on, I hate him.
Now what's he doing?